Peace be upon you. Welcome my friends to a new video in the world of mobile phones and technology. In this video I will talk about the new Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. In order to learn more about the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus phone, watch the video for the end, support the channel with admiration and subscribe to the channel to encourage and support us to publish more videos. Let's get to know all the details. Welcome back to the world of mobile phones, starting with the normal specifications, and first the design. The phone is made of glass, front and back, the side frame is made of aluminum, and the phone is waterproof and dustproof with IP53 certification. Phone dimensions: length 162.9 mm, width 76 mm, thickness 9 mm and weight 108.9 mm. The design of the phone is very good, but the disadvantage is heavy weight and large thickness. The phone supports the installation of 2 SIM cards, supports fingerprint and face, supports NFC, supports IR blaster, supports compass and gyroscope, supports headphone input and stereo external speakers, supports photo, video and document editor, supports audio and video playback in multiple formats. Android 12 with MIUI 13 interface. After reviewing all the normal specifications, let's learn together about the main specifications, starting with the 6.67-inch OLED screen with full HD+ quality with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, with a refresh rate of 120 Hz, a pixel density of 395 pixels per inch, and a brightness rate of 500 lumens, minimum, either, minimum, max, 900 lumens, and the screen supports night mode and eye protection mode. The Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus screen will provide very good performance in all uses, whether gaming, browsing the internet, watching videos, browsing photos, or even in any other use. This is due to the high screen type, which is OLED, and also the presence of a refresh rate of 120 Hz, which helps in ease and smoothness using the screen. Phone storage space: the first version is 8 GB RAM and 256 GB memory. The second version is 12 GB RAM and 256 GB memory, and the phone does not support the installation of a memory card. As for the performance of the phone, MediaTek Dimensity 1085G octa-core processor with 6 nm manufacturing time and Mali G68MC4 graphics processor. The processor will provide great performance in all uses, in games, browsing the internet, or in any other use, and it is good to support it for 4K shooting. As for Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus cameras, the front camera has a resolution of 16 MP and supports HDR, panorama and video shooting in full HD quality at 1080 resolution at a capture rate of 30 frames per second. The front camera will perform well in terms of quality and colors. As for the rear cameras, it comes with a triple LED flash. The first camera has a resolution of 50 MP and supports an electronic optical stabilizer to prevent image shaking during shooting. The second camera has a resolution of 8 MP for ultra-wide shooting for 119 degrees, and the third camera with a resolution of 2 megapixels for macro photography to zoom in on small objects. Rear cameras will provide very good performance in terms of quality and colors. One of their most important features is their support for the electronic optical stabilizer to stabilize the image and not shake it, as well as its support for 4K shooting. As for the phone battery, it comes with a capacity of 5000 mAh and a fast charger with a power of 120 watts. The phone charges 100% in just 19 minutes, and the Type-C charging port. The battery will last for a long time in all uses. This is helped by the manufacturing accuracy of the 6nm processor. Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus colors, black, white, blue and custom trend version, as you can see in the picture. These are all the specifications we reviewed together about the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus phone. We now come to the contents of the phone case. In the box, the phone has a screen previously placed by the company. There is also a charger head and a USB cable. There is also a custom trend case in the box, and there is also a metal pin to extract the SIM cards, and there is a quick start guide and a phone warranty certificate. We come to the conclusion through which you will determine whether the phone is worth buying or not. First, the screen will provide good performance in all uses because it is OLED, and this is the highest type of phone screens, as well as its quality is high and supports a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Second, the processor is powerful and will provide easy and smooth performance in all uses, especially in games or even photography. It supports 4K shooting. Third, rear cameras will provide good performance in terms of quality and colors, support the electronic optical stabilizer to prevent image shaking during shooting. They also support shooting videos in 4K quality. Fourth, the battery is huge with a capacity of 5000 mAh that will last for a long time in all uses, and also a fast charger with a power of 120 watts that charges 100% in just 19 minutes. Overall, the phone will offer great value for a low price. We finally come to the price of Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. First, the price of the first version is 8GB RAM and 256GB memory at $305, while the second version is 12GB RAM and 256GB memory at $330. I hope this video has benefited you. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to encourage and support us to publish more videos. Goodbye in an upcoming video.